It's my turn to show off my desk at the She's Wired offices here. I love my desk. I have what's called a Varidesk, V-A-R-I-D-E-S-K. It's a very nice company that makes standing desks. What I love about this one is it does go up and down. There are these two little latches on either side that allow me to push it down or bring it back up. So I can be standing most of the time, which I think is important in this day and age, or I can sit down if I need to work on a larger project. My desk has two large 27-inch Dell monitors. I need the extra screen space because we're dealing with a lot of different software for clients or different projects. We're doing a website. It's nice to have a lot of screen space to help get things done. Very, very efficient. If you don't have two monitors and you have a lot of work, it's probably worth looking into. I use a Mac Mini. Mac Minis are the smaller desktops that Apple makes. Mine's actually pretty old, but I've been able to upgrade it. It runs pretty well. I get to look forward to probably a new one maybe next year. Otherwise, I have plenty of space to put everything, my little cup, my coffee. I can work on different projects. If I want to, I can easily move this down. It sits. There is this pad that is on the ground to help my feet so that if I'm standing for a while, it doesn't hurt so much. And if I don't need that, I can move it out of the way and I can bring my seat right in and keep working on the project. So that's my desk. I love it. I love my office. It's just a lot of fun. It makes working, I think, better for me. I would sit a lot if I didn't have something that allowed me to stand up. So that's mine. On our next newsletter, I believe you're going to be hearing from Barb. And it'll be interesting because Barb definitely works very differently than the rest of us. So keep an eye out for that in our next newsletter. Thanks.